Expense reports for international business travel require accurate currency conversion. When you use Expensify for spending in a foreign currency, the platform automatically handles the exchange rate calculation to ensure your reimbursements and reports are correct. Expensify relies on an external, trusted financial data provider to determine its currency exchange rates. This ensures the rates used are fair and consistently updated. The system uses a daily average trading rate from this professional service. When you record an expense in a currency different from your report's default currency, Expensify performs the conversion instantly. For example, if your company uses USD but you submit a receipt in euros, the system uses the rate for the day the expense occurred. This is crucial for maintaining financial accuracy. The application captures the original currency amount and then calculates the equivalent amount in your report's default currency using the specified daily rate. This conversion happens automatically when a receipt is captured or a transaction is imported. If you use a connected corporate card for international spend, the process is streamlined. Most corporate card providers process the foreign transaction and apply their own exchange rate and any associated fees, converting the charge into your card's base currency, like USD. When Expensify imports this transaction, it generally uses the amount already converted by the bank or card issuer. This is considered the most accurate rate because it reflects the actual cost incurred by the company or employee, inclusive of any bank-applied exchange or fees. For expenses entered manually, like cash transactions, Expensify applies the daily rate for the transaction date. If a date in the future is used, the system will apply the latest available rate until the actual date arrives, at which point it updates to the correct rate. The goal is to maintain a verifiable trail, converting all foreign spending back into a single, consistent reporting currency for seamless accounting and reimbursement.